Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I have another haul. That's only because I'm like showing you a collective haul of what I've bought in the past few months. I just haven't showed you yet. These are my designer things I bought. I guess I'll categorize it as designer, not necessarily luxury, but definitely some nice investment pieces, I would say. So my first item is from Celine, and I'll show you what it came in. No, it's not a bag actually. I think it's because I ordered this for Christmas that it came in a box in case I wanted to gift it to someone. Let me pull it out. Yeah, it just came in the box. I had an unboxing. I'll stick in the video if you want to see me like actually take it out of the box. Basically, I've been watching a bunch of like Camille Rowe videos, or I just saw one of her and she kept on like bringing up Celine, and then I was like, I need to go to Celine. I almost bought loafers with this, but I haven't tried the shoes, so I didn't want to buy it online until I've had a chance to try it on in the store and know my size. I just wanted a basic wool sweater, and I got black because I'm trying to buy investment pieces. Black is forever and everyone wears black here. So it's a basic V-neck. I think V-neck works best for my body type, just because I'm a little bit top heavy. Okay, there, you can see it there. It's kind of a thin sweater, very sleek and thin, not a chunky sweater at all. Very basic in the back, and just Celine Paris right there. I didn't want to buy fast fashion, and I just wanted something I could keep for a long time. Let's see how that goes. Next up was another basic from Victoria Beckham. I was influenced by, I think, one of these influencers from Spain. I forgot her handle. She swears by t-shirts by Victoria Beckham. So I ordered this one online. So I think it's 100% cotton except for the elastic in the neck, but I got a size large, and that's only because I hate tight-fitting clothes and I wanted a bit of an oversized look, and I was worried medium would be too small because sometimes a European medium is like a small, an American small. So I got a large, but the large is quite large, so I don't know if I can like make the same outfits that I want. It doesn't even fit in the frame. It doesn't even fit in the frame. There's the back, and it's just the basic white tee, but I felt like I needed it. It was made in Portugal. If this goes well, I'll try to get some other colors from the Victoria. It's actually the VVB, the Victoria Beckham line. Next up is a bit of a crazy purchase from Acne Studios. Do we categorize this as a Scandi brand? But it's not Scandi styling because it is not from the black beige army kind of wardrobe. I think I've been watching way too many TikTokers who do the whole like, let's do color and do different colors together and that kind of thing. Definitely wanted to try it, and I wanted a huge oversized blanket scarf. And let me tell you, this also will not fit in the shot, but you know, bear with me. It also has, like, you saw it, the huge yellow, so everyone can know the washing instructions and everyone can know where you got it. Bright yellow has Acne Studios. It is snowing right now. It's like very Berlin style to wrap a huge scarf around your neck. I'll show you when I do my try on parts. Last but not least, you need a good winter coat, and I wanted to invest in a shearling coat. So I got this lambskin coat by Sandro, and I didn't go with black, but I went with a Bordeaux color. Okay, all zipped up. So as you can tell, it is a, I guess I would call it a Bordeaux color or burgundy color. It's so soft. It has a hood, which I always find necessary on winter coats for sure. There's two pockets here in the front. I fit my gloves in it. Yeah, but they're straight in the front there. It's really heavy to hold up. It's not as heavy as the really original tan shearling coats. I've been trying some on and they're like so heavy, but I'm guessing so warm. And actually, because the tag is in the pocket here, I think it's reversible. So if you want the fuzzy stuff on the inside, then you can have the black leather. And I actually just kind of realized this just now. You can just have black leather on the inside if you're feeling an all black look or something like that. I'll try that on for you. Okay, and then of course the last designer item I bought new, like brand new, this last few months was this sunset chain, like wallet chain purse by YSL in the croc leather, silver hardware, And it's just a cute going out bag, and I have a video about that, so you can check that out if you want to see an unboxing video. I probably won't make another big purchase like this until spring, but I do have another haul coming up after this where I'll show you the secondhand items I bought, and other sustainable videos are coming up as well, so stay tuned for that. Please subscribe if you want to see that, hit the notification bell as well, and comment which was your favorite piece down below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.